I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun DIY for you that has to do with all Dollar Tree materials. And I've had this idea for a while, so I'm so excited that I finally got around to doing it and that I can share it with you guys, and hopefully you can make it too. It turned out so great. It is so adorable. So let's just get right into it. The first thing that you're gonna need for this DIY is this box of, or package, I guess, of gift boxes from the Dollar Tree. It just is this little label that says Christmas house, gift boxes, 3 pieces. There are 3 boxes in this package. A lot of you probably recognize it because a lot of people were hauling this pack of boxes for this little station wagon, but I actually did not get it for the station wagon. I got it for these really cute little mittens. So when I first saw these boxes, I thought immediately to myself, these would make really cute little banners all cut out. So that is what I ended up doing. You guys saw the final product at the beginning of the video. It was so extremely simple. So all you need are these boxes. You're gonna need a hole puncher, and you're gonna need, I am using my little We Are Memory Keeper stapler. It's just a regular size, the staples are regular size. It's just a little bit smaller, but I am using the green staples. Of course, you can use whatever color staples you want to, but I'm using the green staples because of course it looks really good with the color scheme that's going on there. But anyways, so let's go ahead and let's get started. So I was definitely drawn to the black and white buffalo check mittens. I thought they were really, really cute, but the rest of these mittens are super adorable too. I really like this one. On top of the face of the box that you can see, you're also gonna use the sides of the box. So one of the sides of the box is the buffalo check, the red and the white, or sorry, the red and the black, and then the other side is the white and the black buffalo check. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is unassemble your box. So just go ahead and take it apart. Okay, once you've done that, you can just kind of flatten your box out. I apologize, of course, I'm not able to get every single thing into the shot, but you're just gonna flatten your box out and you're gonna cut the edges off. So you can see here I've gotten all the edges off. Now I'm just gonna clean it up and make sure everything's even and take off the ends. Okay, so here is what you are left with. Of course, the black and the white are a little bit shorter than the red and the black. So just to kind of even those up, I will go, take them back to my paper cutter, I'll even them up, and then I cut them at about 5-ish inches. You can cut them however long or short as you want, but I chose to do about 5-inch pieces. All right, so there you have it. Here is what I am left with. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take, you can take whatever like square object you have. I have this scrap piece of paper that I use for my fuse tool sitting around. So you just need something that's got a 90-degree angle. And I'm just kind of evening up the edges. You could get super precise with this if you really wanted to, but and then I'm just kind of making a little line here. Perfect. So I'll cut this one and then I'll use this one as a template to do the rest. All right, and there you have it. So I'll just do that to the rest of these. Okay, once you have them all finished and cut, they should turn out like this. And then you're just gonna kind of fold them over. I just eyeball it, maybe like about a ½ an inch or so, where they end up like that. And then again, I use the first one that I bend just kind of as a reference. I'll line up the next one next to it and just make sure I'm trying to bend it from about the same spot. All right, once you have bent all of those, just kind of set them off to the side. And we're gonna start just cutting out the little mittens that are not cut off or anything like that. And I just did one pattern of each. You can see in the box that I've already cut that I was left with a couple of full ones still, but I had already used them and I didn't want to double up on any mittens that I already had on there. So I chose to not use these two. It's completely up to you, but you're just going to, I went ahead and cut them out to make them easier to then fussy cut, but you're just gonna go through and cut them out. Once you've cut all of your little mittens out, look how cute it is. It's so adorable. I chose to hang my mittens down rather than up like this. So I just took my little hole punch and I punched 2 holes at the arm opening of the mitten here. And now we are just going to string the mittens. And then for the little banners, you're going to put them over the twine and use a staple. I do make sure that whenever I am putting my banner on, that I'm not stapling the twine piece. That way the banner can be moved around and just kind of positioned. So once you staple it, you want to make sure you staple it down below the twine to where you can pull this back and forth, if that makes sense. Next, you're going to, after you place your banner on, you're then going to put on your mitten. I chose to come from the back. That way, the only thing that you see is the little bit right there. So that is it, you guys. You continue doing this with all of your mittens, with all of your banners, until you are left with what I have. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this to be a fun Christmas project. I plan to hang mine on my fireplace because I do have the buffalo check theme going on in my living room, so I'm hoping that it looks really cute. I'll be sure to put some pictures on my Instagram once I have that decorated. The plan is to decorate it tomorrow night. We'll see if that happens. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.